Lesson 2-6, Mean. Mean, otherwise known as average, is a mathematical process that we use to try and figure out what we think someone's going to do every time they try and do something. In this case, I have many pieces of data all related to words per sentence. My goal, try and figure out the mean. The first step that we have to do is to add all of the numbers that we have. Rather than read all these numbers, I'll just tell you that the answer is 144. The next step is division. What do we divide by? All of the pieces of data that we had in the first place. In this case, there were 16 separate numbers. So I'm going to take the 144 that I had already added, and I'm going to divide that by 16. That leaves me with 9 as the mean. Now, there is something to take into consideration when doing mean, and that's an outlier. An outlier is simply, it's a number that really stands out from the rest of the data that you have. It might be very high or very low, and it can have an effect on your mean. For example, if you have a very high outlier, that's going to raise your mean. But if you have a very low outlier, that's going to decrease your mean. Let's look at these numbers, shall we? We have 80, 81, 40, 77, and 82. Now, 4 of the numbers are very similar in range, but that number 40 really stands out. It's significantly lower than the rest of the numbers. In this case, 40 is the outlier. That was Lesson 2-6, Mean. Any questions that you may have for me, please direct me through my email or through my website. Thank you and have a great day.